Okay, hello guys and welcome. Wow, what a movement from gold. Okay, so we start from monthly, we cannot start daily. Okay, we start with daily. Okay, daily at the highest level, which is at the current resistance at 2469. Okay, so we turn to H4. Yes, H4 already make a solid breakout. This is support yesterday, and this is momentum candle 300 pips already break the support. Yes, every breakout must have a pullback. That's why I said if you miss this sell, don't sell, because tomorrow, or which is today, gold can give us second entry. Okay, if you miss first entry, market always give you second chance. But where is the exactly point to find sell? Okay, for H1 actually have two level. Okay, at current price, but I think current price is very yes, can be sell at current moment at 2469. Okay, but what if we waiting at the highest resistance? Okay, so H4 have engulfing sell. H1, okay, H1 have trend line breakout. Okay, this is trend line breakout. Yes, I already share yesterday, mapping yesterday. If break this trend line, break this support, trend line already break. Okay, already break. So support 1, support 2, support 3, all breakout. So that's mean already have seller already push the support until breakout. So this is the chance for us to waiting the pullback. To pullback also 150 pip. Okay, this is a huge pullback. 170 pips. So where's the best price? Actually, the best price, yes, at the current moment here, because this is support break, but it's quite risky, right? So better we wait at this engulfing or this resistance. But this resistance is quite big zone. Okay, so how to reduce the zone? Okay, the zone engulfing start from here until here, around 100 pips. Seriously, zone 100 pips. So better we reduce using lower time frame. Lower time frame also 100 pips. And 15 at the highest at the blue zone. So to make it a complete cycle, please gold fly until this level and then we find sell. Okay, this is my expectation. I don't know what the real answer. Even H1. Okay, H1. Okay, this is scenario if market want make every retail trader cry today. This is previous high, previous low, but previous high already break and falling. What if this is also breakout support? What if gold fly? This is a scenario if market making a big manipulation or just one prank retail trader. And the answer is gold still wanna buy. So I don't know what will happen on gold, but today maybe I will find sell. Okay, because I already have confirmation, so better I follow the technical analysis. Agree? So today I will find sell. If not here, maybe here. Just waiting the game until price pull back, touch the trend line or trend line breakout. Okay, so we need to hope that gold can give a pullback for us entry. Okay, that's all. So I start with $16,000. Okay, this is account number 3. I already grow this account since 1 July. I deposit 1 July 2,500 and now already grow until the capital $16,000. So this is yesterday entry. I close at the right timing, 2478. Oi, what a good day for tomorrow, because I close at the right timing before gold falling. What if I hold? I will lose all. So better you close.